Well, thank you. It's nice to be back. In this video, we'll tour Ocean Suite 7349 aboard the Carnival Horizon. What's up, y'all? It's Jeff and Pam with you, me and the Sea Travels, bringing you another adventure. This was a different cabin from our usual balcony rooms. We found it quite cool. The room had a different layout, separating the closets and featuring full-length mirrors. The closet doors were soft close and cozy bathrobes were even provided. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Since this is a suite, the bathroom is larger than usual, with dual vanities and a jetted tub. Here's a better look at the jetted tub. As you can see, the living quarters are quite spacious. You don't have to turn sideways to walk around the bed and TV. The sitting area has a comfortable chair, sofa, and table. Let's look at the power options near the desk. We have 2 USB ports, a European outlet, and 2 American outlets. A nightstand, a lamp, and light switches above the headboard flank the bed. Below the TV, we have uncovered additional storage shelves and a mini fridge. Under the desk, there is a safe, a stool, and drawers on the right. We asked our room steward to combine the 2 beds in our room to make a king-size bed. Let's head to the balcony now and don't let the creaky Halloween door frighten you. As we take a look at our current view of Miami, we see that the balcony is the typical size. We hope you have enjoyed this Ocean Suite cabin tour on the Carnival Horizon. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up and leave us a comment below about what you liked best. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to be alerted when our next video comes out. Hey guys, we thank you for watching. Be sure to check out one of these videos and we'll catch you next time as we go cruising through life one port at a time.